This 2022 Dutchmen Coleman 1905 BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Clyde, Ohio, 43410 and is offered for sale by Town & Country RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Dutchman is 23 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 8. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features bunk beds, bunkhouse, Murphy bed, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Dutchmen Coleman 1905 BH is 4,520 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Town & Country RV.